If your Google Chrome downloads feel painfully slow, this video is going to help. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you simple ways to increase download speed in Google Chrome, using easy settings changes and a few quick fixes that can make a real difference. This is perfect if you're trying to download files faster, reduce delays, or just get Chrome running more efficiently. And before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. This might sound obvious, but slow internet is one of the biggest reasons Chrome downloads feel stuck or sluggish. If possible, restart your router, disconnect other devices that may be using the same network, or switch to a faster Wi-Fi connection if one is available. Sometimes the issue is not Chrome at all, but the network connection behind it. So before changing browser settings, make sure your internet is stable and strong. Next, let's enable a feature called parallel downloading. This is one of the most useful ways to speed up downloads in Chrome. To do this, click inside the address bar at the top of the browser, type chrome://flags, and press enter. On the flags page, use the search box and type parallel downloading. When you see it, change the setting from default to enabled. After that, click relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. What this does is allow Chrome to split downloads into multiple parts, which can help them complete faster. It's a simple tweak, but for many users, it makes a noticeable improvement. Now, let's clear the Chrome cache. Over time, cached files can build up and slow down browser performance. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. Make sure cached images and files is selected, then click Clear Data. This can help Chrome run more smoothly and may improve download behavior too. If your browser has been acting a little sluggish in general, this step is definitely worth doing. The next thing to check is your extensions. Some Chrome extensions can slow things down more than you'd expect, especially VPNs, download managers, and extensions that load a lot of extra content. To review them, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. From here, disable anything you don't need, especially any extension that could interfere with network speed or browser performance. If you're not sure whether an extension is causing the issue, try turning off a few and testing your downloads again. Sometimes the fix is as easy as removing one problematic add-on. Another smart step is to pause other downloads and streaming activity. If you have game downloads running, cloud syncing turned on, videos playing in the background, or software updates happening, they can all use up bandwidth that Chrome needs. The more devices and apps using your internet at the same time, the less speed is available for your download. So if you want Chrome to download as fast as possible, pause anything else that's using the connection. And don't forget to update Google Chrome itself. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and better download handling. To check for updates, click the three dots again, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if needed. If an update is available, let it finish and restart the browser. Keeping Chrome up to date is one of the easiest ways to make sure you're getting the best performance possible. So let's quickly recap. To increase download speed in Google Chrome, first make sure your internet connection is stable. Then enable parallel downloading in Chrome flags, clear your cache, disable any unnecessary extensions, pause other bandwidth-heavy activity, and update Chrome to the latest version. These steps are easy, but together they can make a big difference. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Chrome tips and software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.